So you guys, we just made it into the classroom here at Michael's, and I see some grab bags. They're all $4 grab bags, and I can see things through the bags already, like paintbrushes and stamps and Christmas decor. I'm so excited. I'm about to pick out my bags, and then I'll show you guys what I got. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and welcome back to bag number 2 of my Michael's $4 grab bag unbagging or unboxing. You guys, I am so excited to see what's in bag number 2, but before we do, I want to show you a really cute sticker book I actually got too. These are some brand new sticker books that Michael's just came out with, and no, these weren't in my bag, but this one is called Little Cuties, and I am so in love with it. I am so in love with it because I love everything cute and kawaii, and you guys, these are just $1 each. I love these so much. Guess what, you guys? They even have cactus. Check out this page. I love the avocados, the gum, the plants. Everything is so adorable. The pizza. We have the little olives, the sushi. Everything is so cute. I love the balloon dog. The socks. I think it repeats. Yeah, it repeats after that, you guys. You get a total of 6 pages. You get 302 stickers. I have some other sticker books, but I'll probably show them during the unbagging of bag number 3. You guys run out to your Michael's and look at the new sticker books. You will not be disappointed. Okay, here we are with bag number 2. And again, I asked the cashier to double bag it for me because I have something poking out and it's causing a rip in the bag. So here we go. This is what it looked like when it was sitting in the classroom at Michael's. So I was able to see some of these things. Looks like ornaments to me. But let's see. Let's see what I got this time. I love these because, number one, they're $4 and it's crammed with all sorts of stuff. You're getting such a great value, but you're getting something fun for your house that maybe you wouldn't normally pick out. You have things in here, often duplicates, you can give to your friends and your family. It's just so much fun. And if you don't like the other things, you can just donate it. Okay, let's see what I got. Okay, I got this cute little foam craft kit, another foam craft kit. It says it makes 12. So these are like little cute notes to Santa. Dear Santa, I've been a little naughty or very nice. Here are some special wishes on my Christmas list. Look at these, you guys. These look so cute. You get all of this. These are like shiny silver flowers. It looks like it comes with a bunch of stickers. Maybe those aren't stickers. Maybe those are foam pieces. Oh, it even comes with glue dots. It comes with 198 glue dots. A bag of sequins, 12 cardstock shapes, 139 foam stickers, and 12 foam stickers, which I think are the envelopes. So these are super cute, and these were originally $7.99. Gator will love those. This was $2.49. I think this says peace. You guys, I don't know. What do you say? Maybe we need to undistress this and turn it into something more legible. I don't know. Okay, let's take out the things that were poking through the bags. I got a gold tree. This was originally $8.99. And a red one. And another red one. So that was just like my other bag. I got 3 trees. Look at this, you guys. It's a cute little coffee press. This one is so adorable. This is $9.99. It's like a vintage, like a percolator, or I don't know what they call these, but I think my granny had something like this. This one is so cute. And then, you guys, I got another raft. This was $9.99. And another raft. Again, these are all glass. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. I'm getting some stuff on my hands though. Looks like there's a little scratch right here on this little boom box. This was $9.99. It is so cute. It's really losing its paint on the back though, and some of it has scratched off here. See that, you guys? It's like kind of coming off on my hands. But still, it is so cute. Oh no, I think this one is broken. Uh-oh, you guys, I have two that are stuck together. Oh, that is so sad, you guys, that this one is broken. Look, it's broken. Yeah, just throw the broken stuff in. Well, I mean, I guess if you turn it this way, it wouldn't matter. Except that you don't want your kids to get cut, you know. So I'm going to set that one aside. Okay. Speaking of broken, I have a one-legged Santa. Does he even have arms? No. He doesn't have arms or a leg. But his pieces are here. I don't know. Maybe I could glue him. Santa with one leg. Gonna put him to the side. Another one of these. These were $6.99. They're also glass. A little bit bigger than the other ones though. Ooh, look at this one. I really like this one. This one is really, really different. This probably goes with the coastal theme. He's like a tinsel decorated undersea diver. I really like all the colors. I thought it was a robot at first, but it's not. He was originally $12.99. Oh, this one is so cute. Look, you guys, it's a toaster with some toast sticking up. That is so cute and vintage. It would really go cute with this little one. This was originally $6.99. No way. And it's not broken. It says natural cut fries. How cute. Originally $9.99. French fries. That is so cute. I like the font on this. I got another one of these. This is the, what is this? The Stereo Viewer 3D, exciting 3D pictures, pick up and look. Originally $9.99. $9.99? Yeah, $9.99. You guys probably already got a glimpse of this. It doesn't have a tag or anything. It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of unfinished on the back. It looks like it had a little something in there at one point. I think this was supposed to be an ornament, but you could write a name right here. And then I got one more of these. I think this is letter U. Yeah, U, for $7.99. And then I have another letter U. These are really nice. With the ribbon, they're really pretty. Okay, and the same format as before, we're going to look at the stamps last. I have, what do I have? Do I have anything new? I do have some new stamps. Okay, I'll show the two that I have already, the Happy Hanukkah. And again, these are by Craftsmith. This is what the actual stamp looks like. I have this one that says Peace on Earth, and I do not have this one yet. Peace on Earth. The pretty angel wings. I have Happy Holidays. I got this one in the last bag. Happy holidays. So now I have 2 of those. Ooh, I like this Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. Really pretty. I got another Christmas tree stamp that's different. Ho, ho, ho. A cute little gingerbread. He is so adorable. Look at his cute little face. And one more, naughty is the new nice. Let's do a quick recap. So I got all of these stamps, whatever this says, peace. Another little kit, a few broken ornaments, not really happy about that. And I got all of these really nice ornaments. I'm really happy with the ornaments. I got this set of glass DIY ornaments, 3 more trees. Not bad for $4. Well, hey you guys, that's it for bag number 2. So be sure to watch bag number 3's unboxing or unbagging whenever I have it ready. I'm gonna probably post these, you know, back to back every day. So I hope you guys like these. If you did, please share them with your friends and family. Hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what your all-time favorite bag sale or grab bag item has been. Let me know down in the comments. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.